Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Facebook users face camera and microphone not working on laptop. This problem usually happens because browser permissions are blocked. I will show you how to allow camera and mic permission in Facebook on laptop step by step. First, open Chrome or any other browser on your laptop. Now open the Facebook website and log into your account. Next, look at the left side of the website address bar. You will see a small settings or lock icon just beside the website link. Click on this icon to open site information. Now tap on Site Settings. This will open permission settings for Facebook. Here you will see options like camera and microphone. Tap on the drop-down menu next to camera. Select Allow. Now tap on the drop-down menu next to microphone. Select Allow here as well. After allowing both permissions, close the Settings tab. Refresh the Facebook page. Now try starting a video or voice call again. Your camera and microphone should work without any problem. That is how you allow camera and mic permission in Facebook on laptop. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more laptop fixes and troubleshooting tutorials.